Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with another video in my Dollar Tree sticker series videos, or series I guess I should say. So let's get started. Show you the stickers that I used this time around from the Dollar Tree. It's this 12-piece pop-up little feathers, and I thought these were super pretty. They have a little glitter on the top, but not too much. And they are a pop-up. Well, I had kind of an issue with that because on the one that I used, you could actually see the little square dimensional stick piece in it, the adhesive. So you can see it there probably. So I didn't really like that. So on one of the cards that I made, I just made a single layer and then just kind of glued the really pretty feather down. And I also used my all-time favorite waffle flower stamp and die set, and this is the Essentials, the Sentiments. I'm eventually just going to have to, destash this away because I use it all the time. So all of my cards are going to look the same. But I just love this stamps. This has been my all-time favorite stamp set that I've ever purchased. So, and it has the die set to go along. So let's go to the cards. Yes, plural, the cards. So I made 3 cards here, different colors to share with you. So first up is a little cute hello card. And in this case, I did use the double. I didn't think you could really notice the white piece behind the pretty feather, and on this one too. But isn't that cute? I just used an embossing folder from my stash, white paper, and this pretty teal color, just from my stash. I actually cut this wrong, but I was determined to use it. I usually don't like that much room at the top and the bottom of my cards. If you watch my channel before, you know that I have kind of the same basics when I layer. So this one, I decided to keep it, and let me know what you think. And then the second one, now this is where I had to use only the single feather because you could really see the little square dimensional piece. And so this is orange, my favorite color, and then I used a brown happy birthday, and then this kind of red and orange feather, and another embossing folder from my stash. And now this time it's cut about 1/4 inch from on the sides and at the top like I normally like. But I thought it turned out really pretty. Super simple. Thought about putting some gems on there, but I'm not really loving gems right now. And then last but not least, for you purple lovers, here's another one. And I cut this one wrong too. I don't know, I think I was watching Law and Order when I was making these and I wasn't paying attention. So anyway, another embossing folder from my stash. And then this one is the thank you. So I have a happy birthday, a thank you, and a hello. Let me know which one is your favorite. So thanks for watching. To all my new subscribers, welcome, and keep on watching these Dollar Tree sticker series video. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks a bunch, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.